Hi, this is Dino Dumlao from the Philippines, and today I'd like to compare four graphical interfaces of subtractive synthesizers. First of all, what is a subtractive synthesizer? Musically, it is a tool in creation of a unique sound. The fundamental approach of this synth in design and signal flow are based on subtractive principles. Simply put, you subtract parts like tone and harmonics in the frequency spectrum. In synthesis, the subtractive approach to an instrument can be manipulated with a simple oscillator, which produces different waveforms such as sine, square, triangle, sawtooth, and noise. The filters, amplifiers, envelopes, and LFO create a distinct timbre, intonation, and volume of an instrument. Subtractive synths are not ideal in emulating real instruments. If used, however, it creates a whole new ambiance in the mix, such as the score you hear now. Okay, so let's compare four graphical interfaces of these subtractive synthesizers. First up, you will have Impulse. This is bundled by Mixcraft 6. Second is Subtractor for Reaktor. The third one would be Voyager version 1.1. And the fourth will be Linplug CRX4. Okay, so here we have the oscillator section of the four subtractive synths. The oscillators generate the basic signal. This is usually a waveform that is rich in harmonics. And if you would notice, all four have more than one oscillator. Now the filter section, used to alter the basic signal by filtering out or removing portions of the frequency spectrum. Now Impulse only has one filter and envelope, while the rest have two filters and envelopes. Now we go to the amplifier section, used to control the level of the signal over time. The four have envelopes with attack time, decay time, sustain level, release time, or ADSR. Now the synths have LFO or low frequency oscillators to provide the waveform that modulates the signal. Only Linplug CRX4 has more than two. Okay, so let's take a look at global controls which affect the overall characteristics of the sound. Here are global controls of Impulse, and Subtractor for Reaktor, and Voyagers, and finally Linplug CRX4 global controls. Now some simple tips. Practice using a subtractive synth and find out how you can create your own unique sound. Experiment with a sample file and do an A/B comparison. Listen how a subtractive synth can change the whole character of a piece. Like in the score you're hearing, the piano and the string tracks have subtractive synthesizers plugged into them. Well, there you go, a comparison of four graphical interfaces of subtractive synthesizers. This is Dino Dumlao from the Philippines. I hope you did understand, and I thank you for listening in. Have a great day ahead, guys. Peace.